All right, so I made this AI agent that generates around 100 leads a day for me. It could generate more, but I just haven't limit tested it. I try to use 100. I don't need more than 100 leads per day, but I think it could go up to 1,000 or even more. It works in Telegram. So you send them a Telegram message, and then through Telegram you tell it what types of leads you need and all that stuff. So I'm going to show you how it works just because I thought it was really cool and really interesting. And I wanted to start practicing recording specifically YouTube videos about the AI agents that I've built. And I think showing how one works is a great way for me to start that. Okay, so basically it starts with a Telegram trigger. I called this agent Telegram Tony, and what it does is it intakes a Telegram message. So its existence starts with a Telegram trigger. Then the agent is called, right? AI agent, which is basically, the agent is built of the LLM, which is basically Gemini. That's the brain. Then it has a memory, which it means it remembers all of its past experiences. Something that I realized that I need to do is I need to have different memories for it. So I have one that's hanging around here. I have this one because I used to use that other memory, but it got kind of like too full, so then it wouldn't work, and it started being like very insecure. It would be like, do I do this? Do I do the other thing? And it was very unsure about what to do. So it basically does that, and then it has some access to some tools that it uses to get the leads and then create a Google Sheets, and then within the Google Sheets, it's going to add the leads, right? Which is pretty cool as well. And then it generates a response. It sends me a message back. So I'm going to show you the agent working and combine that with the Telegram, right? So first, generally, you just go here and you activate it, and it works all the time. But so that we can see it working, I'm just going to go here and do it manually, because that shows us how it works, and that'd be cool for you to see. Okay, so I can go, hey, and then the trigger happens, right? The Telegram trigger event happens. You see a green check mark. And then the AI agent happens, right? You see the check mark. And then it accesses the brain. It goes, okay, so let's process that information. Let's combine it with my memory of what I've done before. And then let's answer. And the result is, hey, I'm an automated lead gen bot. I need to know the country, city, business, and number of leads you want. Please provide this information, right? So then I can go, the country is the USA, the city is Miami, and let's do gardening businesses or whatever, right? Businesses. Or real estate agents, real estate agencies. And then I'll go, I want 25 leads, 25 real estate agency leads, right? So if I execute it here, and then I send the message, it's gonna process it. It's gonna be like, okay, that's what it wants, right? And it's starting to try and get me the leads, right? It retrieved the latest API scrape, and then it created a Google Sheets, and now it's gonna start adding those leads. New business ad is KDM Roofing. All right, Centurion Roofing. So it's doing roofing companies for a reason. Generally, I would have it, okay, so I'll just let that happen while I talk. Generally, I would have it confirm the leads before. So it'd say, do you want this, this, and this? And I'd be like, yes, I want those things. But now with a new memory, I'm trying to make it more bold. So right now it's just like, it's too bold. He's too, I don't even know what to call it. Like, he's too sure of himself. So you tell him to get you real estate leads, and it starts getting roofing leads. Leads are leads. Like, for me, it doesn't matter. I'm gonna use those leads as well. But I have to tweak it a little bit to make it a little bit more insecure, so that it confirms first, and then it takes action. Right now, I want it to be bold, and if it gets me leads from something else, I don't mind it. So I'm gonna show you why it's bold, right? So that the reason why it's bold is because I told the bot to be bold, right? I told him, you are efficient and take the initiative. You are bold. You are action oriented. I always prioritize using the tool instead of sending a message. So right now, it didn't even confirm with me. It was just like, I'm just gonna get the leads, right? So it got the leads, which is great. And it added all of those leads to a Google Sheets for me. So if I go to Google Sheets here, my latest Google Sheet, oh, that's a budget, no. I'll have to cut that out. It doesn't matter if you look at those budgets. Here it is, Miami, US agency. So it got me 10 roofing leads for Miami. Okay, so that's the video. Hopefully it was useful to understand how it works and to show you that like you can make an agent in a couple of weeks that intakes data not in JSON or like in a programming language, literally just in English, and then it outputs the result that you want. In this case, it didn't output exactly what I wanted, but it doesn't matter. To me, it doesn't matter because I just need leads in the US. And as long as it generates something related to the offer that I'm doing, then it's fine. So no problem. But in the case that you wanted it to be more specific to what you tell it, you just change the prompt a little bit. You'd be like, confirm a little bit more, be a little bit more, make sure that you're actually understanding what the person is asking for and that you use the tools in the correct way. So you just tweak it a little bit. Anyways, hopefully it was useful, and give me some feedback actually. Like tell me what stuff is good and what stuff I could do better in terms of explaining things, so that then when I start actually posting the videos, they're really good. Anyways, thank you for listening and watching.